Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching my cooking channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my weekly meal plan with you, as well as a few groceries that I picked up just to top up the groceries that I already had for the week. So if you watched my meal planning video that I went in depth on how I meal plan, I shared my meal planner, and for this week I have meal planned some lettuce wraps, a freezer meal, Cobb salad, soup and sandwiches, and then we're going into Easter here, so that will be a completely separate meal plan and a menu for those 3 days. And then over on this side, I write out all the stuff that I needed. I typically do breakfast ideas as well for myself, but I am doing intermittent fasting this week. I'm hoping to continue doing it next week, so I haven't really been doing too many breakfasts, more just eggs and shakes. And then just wrote down lunch idea for Friday to do fish and chips. And again, because I'm kind of eating my breakfast and lunch together, so I did not meal plan for that. But here is what a meal plan looks like if I do lunch ideas as well as breakfast ideas, and then some snack prep, what I typically do on the weekly basis. So for the stuff that I meal plan, I'm gonna start over here with vegetables. I have my trusted assistant here, Frank. And another one is, I'm not sure where he went, but anyways, he was just here. So I had picked up, I always buy this giant jumbo romaine hearts pack. That's enough for salads and for lettuce wraps. Some avocados, some peppers. I do natural imperfect because it doesn't really matter to me how they look, and they are usually a little bit cheaper. And then I picked up a package of jalapeno peppers to make, if I make any guacamole, or I like chopping them up and tossing them into my eggs in the morning, or just eating them with, well, probably not lettuce wraps, but if I was making like burritos and stuff, I would use it. And then I also picked up these mini peppers because I like eating them just as snacks. Some cherry tomatoes, cucumbers. I am planning on having a cucumber salad, so I picked up cucumbers, as well as the spring onions for that. And then there's baby spinach for smoothies and for salads. Some coleslaw mix. I like buying this to use in my lettuce wraps that I'm going to be making. I still have lots of apples and berries left, so I just picked up more bananas. Some of these bagels, I've mentioned this before, they're the sprouted wheat bagels, and they're about half the calories and carbs from a regular bagel. And my kids like them. They make egg sandwiches for themselves for breakfast. Some bacon to go with the Cobb salad, and I got the one that's 45% less salt. Garlic, I can't wait till we have local garlic available, because it's so much better than this garlic in my opinion. Then just 30 eggs for the week, and then I needed to stock up on soy sauce and hoisin sauce, and then I also got some Mighty Caesar dressing and some homestyle ranch dressing. And I like buying Renee's because the ingredients is fairly clean. You can pretty much tell everything that's in here. And then I've got some kefir. I love drinking this. Somebody had asked me what the kefir was, and let's see if I can. I know that it has more probiotics in 1 cup than most probiotic supplements. So this one ingredient is pasteurized grass-fed milk and active bacteria culture. It's like sour milk, I want to say, but better. I'm just trying to see if it says anything about the kefir. No, it's just talking about the farm. But anyways, I like buying the, oh yeah, see, probiotic fermented milk. And then I got some half and half because I needed for recipe, and some coconut milk, some baking powder, and some sour cream. And then I also picked up, just needed to stock up, back up on ground coriander and cumin. And then I also got some Greek yogurt. I got the cherry, this is my favorite, and then the vanilla for the kids. I don't eat this one as often as the plain one, but I like it once in a while. So that's it, just a small little haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did and like these type of videos, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments, and if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. I do these type of videos probably once a month, so make sure that notification bell is on, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.